Question number 37. How many numbers between 100 and 300 are multiples of 13? That is the initial multiple. That is the initial multiple is 104. 104 is the initial multiple of 13, and the final multiple within 300 is 299 is the final multiple of 300. Now we have to find how many numbers that are multiple of 13, that is Tn. This is the problem of AP, arithmetic progression. Now Tn is equal to, Tn means final term, that is 299, that is multiple of 13, and first term is A, and n minus 1, the difference is 13, because these numbers are all multiple of 13, right? So 13 is the common difference. Now I'm solving. 299 is equal to 104 plus 13 into n, 13n, minus 13 into 1, 13. Now I'm shifting this 104 and minus 13 to the LHS, so we get 208 is equal to 13n. We have to find how many terms, that is n. So 13 ones are 13 ones are remaining 7, 13 6 there, that is n is equal to 16. There are 16 terms, 16 numbers are there. Those are the multiples of 13 in between 100 and 300.